Let's count down the top 5 rides at Chimelong Ocean Kingdom. Number 5 Jungle Roller Coaster. Whilst attractions such as the Parrot roller coaster are definitely to tweet over, there are no doubt it is also for the thrill seekers in the flock. And so when heading to Chimelong Ocean Kingdom, you two think that you would rather build up to the 160-foot twisty turny droppy 67 miles per hour wing coaster, then look no further down the 30-foot jungle, where amongst still heading around lots of incredible theming in, yes, a flying bird, you will be able to experience all of those thrills just on a much, much smaller scale. Number 4 Rainforest Lift Tower. Talking about heights, if you are scared of them, it's probably best to skip to the next ride, because as you can most likely guess by the name Rainforest Lift Tower, we are about to rise up, drop down, and bounce all around on none other than a flower petal parachute. Sounds scarily awesome, right? Yet for me, what makes this almost 2.5 minute attraction totally bloom is those views that you all can get across not just the stunning park itself, but the surrounding mountain range too, as only one peak of those views will make the endless drops that follow on from that 100% worth it. Number 3 Walrus Splash. Who here loves roller coasters, water rides and walruses? Well, of course you do, and so before even looking at our exploration car/boat, dropping through the giant walrus heads, talk about actually racing down a roller coaster track completely backwards, you know that by simply saying it features all of the above, that we have made it into the top 3 territory. Nevertheless, for our next venture too, being a water coaster, our first on tip of the vid, my name is Tom and these are my tips, would be to take on your absolutely favourite adventure first, because the last thing you want is for such attraction to break down. Number 2 Iceberg roller coaster. And for us it would be Iceberg roller coaster all the way, as even though you may not have 2 wide walrus heads that you will drop through along your trip in, out and around the bone-chilling icebergs, you will be encountering even more roller coaster elements, reaching speeds of up to 44 miles per hour, 2 giant splashdowns and real life bears. Yes, you heard me right there guys, you will not only be the only living creatures that are about to call the icebergs home, but a number of Roman bears too, definitely bringing even more uniqueness to this already unique and no doubt extremely fun family adventure. Number 1 Parrot roller coaster. It is finally time to take flight, as after an incredible list of some unreal rides and attractions, we have finally made it to one. A trip to Chimelong Ocean Kingdom, talk about the whole of China, would be nowhere near complete without, and I can almost guarantee that as soon as you are sat on the wings of those parrots, especially on the front row, twisting, turning and even inverting around the jungle, you too will very quickly realise why that is, thus leaving only one question now remaining. Do you think you have what it takes to soar with the birds, or would you rather remain on the ground level? Thank you all for watching, bye bye.